আজকে আমরা অ্যানিমিয়া থেকে 50টি গুরুত্বপূর্ণ কিছু এমসিকিউ দেখব, সাথে উত্তর এবং এক্সপ্লেনেশন তো থাকবে। এবং আপনারা অনেকে এক্সপ্লেনেশন দেখার পরেও অনেকে কমেন্টস করেছেন যে এক্সপ্লেনেশন দিলে আপনাদের অনেক বেশি সুবিধা হয়, যার কারণে আমি কষ্ট করে আপনাদের জন্য এই এমসিকিউগুলো প্রিপেয়ার করেছি। তো চলুন দেখে নেওয়া যাক। অ্যানিমিয়া মিন্স ডিক্রিজ ইন আরবিসি or hemoglobin level. Normal hemoglobin level in adult female is 12 to 16 gram per deciliter. এক্সপ্লেনেশনগুলো আপনারা নিজে থেকে পড়ে নেবেন, নিচে দেওয়া আছে। Which of the following is not a symptom of anemia? Hypertension. এখানে দেখেন এক্সপ্লেনেশন দেওয়া আছে, anemia usually causes low blood pressure, not hypertension. The most common causes of anemia worldwide is iron deficiency. Iron deficiency. Which vitamin is essential for absorption of iron? Vitamin C. Vitamin C. Which of the following foods is richest in iron? Spinach. Spinach. Pallor in anemia is best seen in conjunctiva. Conjunctiva. Which lab test confirms anemia? CBC, complete blood count. A patient with anemia complains of dizziness due to decreased oxygen supply to brain. Decreased oxygen supply to brain. Which anemia is caused by vitamin B12 deficiency? Pernicious anemia. Pernicious anemia. Which type of anemia is common during pregnancy? Iron deficiency. Iron deficiency. In anemia, the color of RBC becomes pale. Which of the following can cause hemolytic anemia? Autoimmune disease. Autoimmune disease. Bone marrow produce RBC under stimulation of erythropoietin. Erythropoietin. Aplastic anemia is due to bone marrow failure. Aplastic anemia is due to bone marrow failure. Which of the following drugs can cause anemia? Chemotherapy drugs. Which of the following drugs can cause anemia? Chemotherapy drugs. In anemia, pulse is usually rapid. In anemia, pulse is usually rapid. Severe anemia may lead to heart failure. Severe anemia may lead to heart failure. The main symptom of iron deficiency anemia in children is growth retardation. Growth retardation. Folic acid is important for RBC maturation. Folic acid is important for RBC maturation. Which of the following is not a type of anemia? Hemophilia. Hemophilia. Sickle cell anemia is caused by genetic mutation in hemoglobin. Genetic mutation in hemoglobin. The main symptom of sickle cell anemia is joint pain. Sickle cell anemia te main symptom ki dekha jay? Joint pain. Which test confirms sickle cell anemia? Hemoglobin electrophoresis. Hemoglobin electrophoresis. In iron deficiency anemia, the RBC are microcytic hypochromic. Microcytic hypochromic. Megaloblastic anemia is caused by deficiency of vitamin B12 or folic acid. Vitamin B12 or folic acid. Which anemia shows neurological symptoms like numbness and tingling? Pernicious anemia. Pernicious anemia. Pica, eating non-food substance is seen in iron deficiency anemia. Iron deficiency anemia. The color of stool in iron therapy may appear black or dark green. Black or dark green. Which of the following is a side effect of iron supplements? Constipation. Constipation. Which route is preferred for iron therapy if oral iron is not tolerated? Intravenous or intramuscular? Which condition results from excessive destruction of RBC? Hemolytic anemia. Hemolytic anemia. Jaundice is often seen in hemolytic anemia. Hemolytic anemia. Which blood test detects iron storage in the body? Serum ferritin. Serum ferritin. Which organ is primarily responsible for erythropoietin secretion? Kidney. What is the normal lifespan of RBC? 120 days. 120 days. Which mineral helps in hemoglobin synthesis besides iron? Copper. Copper. Anemia due to chronic blood loss may occur from peptic ulcer. Peptic ulcer. Which nursing intervention is important in anemia care? Provide iron-rich diet. Provide iron-rich diet. Number 40. Which of the following indicates improvement after iron therapy? Decreased fatigue. Decreased fatigue. Which of the following is an example of iron-rich food? Red meat. Red meat. Number 42. Which fluid helps increase iron absorption? Orange juice. Orange juice. Which test measures the percentage of RBC in blood? Hematocrit. Hematocrit. Which complication may occur in untreated severe anemia? Heart failure. Heart failure. Which color change of tongue is seen in iron deficiency anemia? Pale and smooth. Pale and smooth. Which anemia shows pancytopenia? RBC WBC platelet. Aplastic anemia. Aplastic anemia affects bone marrow, reducing all blood cell types. In anemia, respiratory rate is usually increased. Due to hypoxia, respiratory rate increased to supply more oxygen. Which nursing diagnosis is most appropriate for anemia? Number B answer. Activity intolerance related to low oxygen supply. Explanation: fatigue and weakness result from inadequate tissue oxygenation. Number 49. Which laboratory parameter is decreased in anemia? Answer is A. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin. Explanation: decreased hemoglobin is the primary sign of anemia. And last number 50. The main goal of nursing care in anemia is to answer B. Improve oxygen carrying capacity. Improve oxygen carrying capacity. Explanation. The primary aim is to restore hemoglobin and oxygen delivery to tissue. Thanks for watching my videos. Please share.